All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, um, it's the Friday mobile home renovation, remodeling, makeover, whatever you want to call it, update. I'm not quite sure what the update number this is, but I'll figure it out once I get in and upload it and everything. Before I upload it, I'll obviously check. But this is where we're at now. Like 2 water lines, having the shower ready to go. Electrician's got his can light in, his fans. Gotta run the fan. I gotta run a hose here and go out to the side here. Vents are already in. I think there's one vent up here in the utility room still need to go in. We're getting really close to sheetrock. Probably early next week is we'll have the sheetrock. Electricians are probably about 98% done. As you can see here, some of the boxes aren't wired up yet, some are. So that's all. That bath shower's all in, ready to go. I got to put the toilet flange on, can light, fart fan. When I run this out here out to this, see it right there. Never run your exhaust fans in the bathrooms to the attic. For one, it's code says they have to go outside now. So if you got a repairman or somebody saying, "Oh, it's okay to run the attic," your grandfathered, they're liars. If you're replacing or something, it needs to go outside. Here's this monstrosity right here that due to those faucets fixtures not having no nailing fins, just ridiculous. So anyway, we got that up. Windows were ordered. We don't know where the windows are. I keep putting this off on the windows. So I'm looking forward to getting those in. Especially, I'm kind of leery about putting them in, or after waiting for the sheetrock first. I mean, I don't, because some of these things leak. Obviously, we got little chores like getting this done, sealing this door. By the way, he had supposedly one of the top framing crews, and I've showed you this before, come in and put this door in. Look at the gap. That header's not carrying nothing. The door frame's carrying all the weight, and there's no cripples up there. Just because they tell you, someone tells you that they're the top framing crew or electrician or plumber, get referrals. Just don't go. So anyway, washing machine connection, standpipe, water heater. EcoSmart. Now let me tell you about this. Went to Home Depot, bought that one. I don't know if you can see this one laying over here. 6 gallons per minute. He goes, okay, that's cool. Comes in, puts it in, and by the way, this is our dryer box. Comes in, so electrician's going like, you got a problem. This thing takes. This one over here takes 3 50 amp breakers, 150 amp service. You only have a 100 amp service, so coming into the house. So call the electric company. This has been a ordeal and a half. So he had to go back, get this one. I don't know how many gallons per minute this is. Maybe 2. I don't know. Maybe 3. I don't know. I forgot to look. But this one takes 2 40 amp breakers. So, lesson learned, look, if you're getting an electric on-demand water heater, you better check your service and all that good stuff before. Make sure your home can handle it. It's more complicated than just throwing a bigger breaker in. What you got, it doesn't work that way. So, roughed in for the return air thermostat guy. The HVAC guy's been out, put his thermostat in. So this is still a mess over here, but this is where we're at. He decided to have new insulation in the ceiling, so I don't know if I showed you this on any other ones. He's taken all these out, all the insulation out, which makes it really easy for everyone, really, I mean, to work. So it's coming along, guys. I can't remember where we were at on the last video, so I don't know where we're at. So anyway, as you can see, it's coming along. It can be a slow, tedious process. Sometimes it seems like you're moving at a snail's pace, but here's the old, or I'll say the old, it was never used. And of course, when we call Home Depot, oh well, we can't take returns on water heaters. You have to call the manufacturers, get authorization. He'd done thrown the box away because, you know, it's been in for like 3 weeks. So anyway, lesson learned on those. That's going to be a fairly pricey. I mean, he's got it up for sale now on local Facebook pages, and he'll surely sell it, but just won't get what he paid for it. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here, get this done, and hey, don't forget, like and subscribe, click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a video, and we'll see you next Friday with an update on this mobile home remodel, renovation, makeover, whatever you want to call it. Hey, y'all have a good weekend.